We understand. As a manufacturer, you face many production challenges across the factory floor. Our machine health monitoring system eliminates the uncertainty of unplanned downtime. Sensors are placed on production assets, continuously collecting data 24/7. When the health of a machine is failing, a real-time alert is sent via the cloud to the ATS Reliability 360 Technology Center. That's when our reliability engineers immediately get to work for you, analyzing the data, figuring out the root cause, and giving prescriptive actions to the maintenance team. The electronic work order is received on-site at the factory, with skilled maintenance technicians taking action to safely and efficiently address the issue before it causes an unexpected failure. The machine is back to running at peak performance, avoiding any unplanned downtime, lost productivity, and increased cost. Exceed your production goals and get measurable results with machine health monitoring. Advanced Technology Services. We make factories run better and smarter. Get started with a demo or risk-free trial. Visit advancedtech.com.